This is the third part of topic B, dealing with lookup fields. Access provides many powerful features that enable you to search, sort, and filter table data quickly. You can do these tasks on a table-by-table basis, but Access also provides advanced capabilities that enable you to deal with multiple tables in unison. A lookup field is a field in one table that is bound to another value in a source data table or value list. The lookup field can display a list of user-friendly values to select from. For example, here I have, let me switch to my form view. Here I have my supplier ID field, and I have a drop-down list of supplier IDs. So this is a lookup value. What it's doing, there we go. What it's doing is it's taking all of these lookup options from the table of suppliers. Only these are options in that drop-down menu. So we have what we call a relationship between table inventory and table suppliers. Again, all the supplier IDs have to be listed on table suppliers. Can't just type any random one in there. There is a relationship formed. So every lookup field will use configured relationships to retrieve data from somewhere else in the database. The relationship view shows the relationships that exist between various tables in a database. So let me show you the relationship. If I go to my database tools, here I have a relationships command, and this is showing the relationship between table inventory and table suppliers. It shows a field list for each table, and join lines in the middle here will connect the related tables. Each end of the join line will display either the number 1 or an infinity symbol, which is read as many. This indicates the relationship, one-to-one or one-to-many, between the two tables. So here we have a one-to-many relationship. One means that the field in that table must contain unique data. So again, only supplier ID can only be listed one time in table suppliers. You cannot have duplicates of Woodstock, for instance. But in table inventory for supplier ID, we know that Woodstock is going to come up many times because they supply many of our products. Okay? But at one, that means it can only come up one time in that particular table. And we'll see how to create this identical relationship in the next coming activity, which our next video is going to be activity 4.5 on page 146.